Resin tray tutorial for beginners? I got you. Watch me turn this tray from this to this. So I'm a professional resin artist and I am obsessed with making resin accessories. Now, when I first started getting into making dope resin trays like this back in the day, I didn't really have somebody that I can learn from to teach me the do's, the don'ts, the, costly mistakes. So I had to learn my own methods and figure out what works for me and what doesn't. And I know there's a lot of people out there that's just like me and love to create resin trays like these that want to learn but don't know where to start. I quit my 9-to-5 and I started a successful resin gift shop that sells really well. Now, I will be completely honest, in no way, shape, or form was it easy. It took a lot of stressful, hard working night, but I want you guys to be aware that when you're running your own business, you definitely are going to be working way more than the average 9-to-5 person till you figure out what works for you. So if you're really serious and you see yourself doing this, follow me so you don't miss out on my masterclass.